So I was going through the impression on my YouTube channel today
and I was impressed.
So on going back, I stumbled upon a huge number. Wow, I'm now having 201 subscribers. Wow. So thank you so much, guys. I just want to say a very big thank you for subscribing, for being there, for watching the videos I post. I really appreciate you guys a lot. So I did not just want to say thank you. So I thought of a way of giving back to you guys. So I went on my computer and copied all the fonts that I use in my day-to-day work, and they are 1,000 in all. And today I'll be sharing those fonts with you guys absolutely free of charge. Yes, that's me. I don't collect money. So I'll leave a link in the description and I'll show you how to extract these themes and how you can use them in any of your apps like Pixel Lab, PixArt, literally any app that allows you to import fonts. So without further philandering, let's get right into business. Now I'll be using Pixel Lab as our reference app here. So to use this fonts, open up any browser. I use Google Chrome. So I'll put a link for this in the description below. So just go ahead and download this. I've already done that, so I won't be doing that again. And mind you, the file is in a zip format, so you need to extract it, and any zip explorer should work okay, but I recommend ES Explorer or Z Archiver. Any of this should just work out. I'll assume the file is saved in your download folder, so let's just go ahead to our download. So you just want to tap on this and it will bring out this option. So choose extract to archive name, and I use the password for it. It is simple, it is just my YouTube username, which is how to do it, but I'll write this also in the description box should in case. And when we are done extracting it, let's just check how many fonts are in here. So I'll click on this and I'll tap on the 3 button here and choose more to select, and as you can see, this is 1 out of 1,000. So I did a pretty good job. Now you have 1,000 extra fonts. So let's just go in and export that into our Pixel Lab. Click on the Hey button here and go to font. You want to go to my font. So once you are here, this first plus button means if you want to add the themes one by one, but I won't want to go through that rest. So I'll just add by folder, which is this second option here. So you want to tap on this and you want to select your download folder, which is this one. You want to open your folder like this and add directories. And yes, that is just it. You now have 1,000 fonts that will make your work look more standard and classic. So you can just try out any of them and see what they look like. As you can see. Alright, so that'll be the end of this video, and I want to thank you guys again. I don't even know what to say again other than thank you. So please, if you have not been subscribing, please do so. I would really appreciate. And thank you. Until next time I come your way, peace out.